Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to take the battery out on your DJI Osmo 360. To take the battery out, find the door on the left side, then there is this little switch and it's not too easy to open it. First you'll need to slide it to the side, then slide the door down. It may be a bit difficult, so if you have some difficulties with it, you can use for example, your left hand to slide it to the side, then use your right hand to slide it down using this little notch. And now you can simply open it and take the battery out like that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.